back to Easy Nails. Today we're going to create a really fun glitter ombre butterfly acrylic nail set. I am using S&M Nail Candy acrylics, amazing quality acrylics, super affordable. I have a discount code. I am an ambassador for the company and the code is SMEasyNails10. That'll get like $10 off your order. 10% off your order. Highly recommend. And of course I'm using S&M Nail Candy monomer. As always, super low odor and vanilla scented. So I showed you guys all the colors we're going to be using, so let's get started. I built up my pinky already. I did a really fun ombre there. And then I'm going to continue. So I am taking this Candy Cover Snow. This is a beautiful white with teeny tiny iridescent silver shimmers. Gorgeous color, super good, and it works great for ombres. So I am just putting this on the first finger here, and to do the ombre I'm just applying a thin layer of the Candy Cover Snow. I am using my KADS brush. I believe this is a number 14 or 16. And I am just applying this to the majority of the nail here. Make sure you always tucking in your sides to keep the nail's shape. And I am doing this on the pointer finger. On the middle finger, I'm going to go in with this beautiful color from S&M Nail Candy. This is Honey. It is a beautiful medium nude color, and it has little tiny shimmers in it as well. Most of her covers do, but they are like almost not noticeable, just like you get like a little twinkle in the light. So it's something special and really pretty in all of her cover powders. So again, this is Candy Cover Honey, and I am applying this all over the middle finger here. So I'm doing the same thing here to the ring finger, applying the Candy Cover Honey. It is a beautiful nude color, so I am applying this all over those two nails. And then I'm going to go in with Candy Cover Pink. It's like a really pretty baby pink color, perfect for ombres. And I am doing this to the first finger, and I already did that to the pinky, so like really easy ombre. And if you want your ombre on the lighter side, I suggest this color. It would also look really pretty with the honey, the nude color. So I'm just adding some more white here, building up the nail to the opacity and thickness that I will like. And then make sure you guys don't click out yet, because we're going to get to the really fun butterflies and the glitter real soon. And you guys, I noticed a lot of you guys are watching are not subscribed. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button for me, like this video, comment down below. I hope everybody is doing well and staying healthy. So now I'm taking this Valentino color, and I showed the color at the beginning of the video. You can also check the description box. This is basically just a clear with mylar shards in it. So I'm applying that on the tip of the middle finger and the ring finger. I'm doing kind of like a triple ombre glitter. I'm going to go in with Ocean Breeze, which is a beautiful glitter from S&M Nail Candy, an acrylic glitter mix. So I'm going to apply the Ocean Breeze directly underneath and just kind of blend them into each other. I thought it was really pretty design. These two glitters just went really nicely together. I loved the way that they looked, and with the background of that nude, it was really pretty. All right, you guys, so once that blend is to my liking, I'm going in with a little bit of Candy Cover Clear, and I am picking up these little butterfly sequins. I got these in a recent giveaway that I won, and be sure to look out for that giveaway video. I'm going to show you guys everything that I won. She was super, super generous. I was like crying. I was so shocked I won. So, look out for that video, and that's where I got these butterflies from. So I'm just using the S&M Nail Candy Clear. I'm applying a little bead of that, and then I'm just using my brush to pick up the little butterfly sequins. So I'm doing that to the pinky and to the first finger. And these are super, super cute. They're little butterfly sequins. They're holographic and iridescent. Super, super pretty. And then I'm also going over them with the clear as well. So here are my nails, you guys. I filed, buffed, did all that. And for the top coat time, so I'm using S&M Nail Candy Top Gloss. It is a super, super luster, shiny, no wipe top coat. So I am using that all over the nails. And you guys can see that. And then of course we have to add some crystals, I do believe. I would be shocked if I didn't add crystals to this. Let's see. I do think I added crystals to these though. So again, I am applying the top coat, and if I did add crystals, I would have put the builder gel underneath to it here. So you guys, yes, I'm applying these blue crystals here. I do believe I got these from Amazon, and I'm using the tool that I always use to pick up my stones. This is also from Amazon, and I think I'm just doing a cuticle cuff here around the ring finger and the middle finger. I'm going to cure these in my UV LED lamp, and that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these easy acrylic nails at home. Make sure you like and subscribe. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.